Let's start with some fundamental algebra. Now for many of you this module may be revision, in which case you can feel free to jump straight to the module assessment. However, it can be useful to spend a little bit of time on the basics, even if you've already studied them. There may be something new to learn or a different way of thinking about something that will help strengthen the mathematical foundations that we're going to build on later in this course.
Okay, let's look at an equation. Now you can tell it's an equation because it equates two expressions. The expression on the left of the equal sign is equal to the expression on the right. Now in this case, there is a variable called x. This is something for which we don't know the value. We're going to try and solve this equation for x, in other words, figure out the value of x. Our x variable has a coefficient, a number by which it's multiplied. In this case, we have 2 times x. Then we have a couple of constants, a 3 and a 9. To solve for x, we need to isolate the x term, in this case 2x. So we need to get rid of the other terms on that side. In this case we have a plus 3 on the left side, and we can remove that by applying the opposite operation, subtracting 3. However, we always need to balance the equation, so whatever we do on one side, we must also do on the other. The plus 3 and the negative 3 on the left side cancel each other out, leaving just our x term. And on the right side, 9 minus 3 is 6. Now we still need to isolate x from its coefficient. And the opposite operation of multiplying by 2 is to divide by 2, so that's what we'll do. And of course, what we do on the left, we must also do on the right. When we calculate out those divisions, we get our answer for x, 3. Now to test our results, we can plug that back into the original equation to verify it. So in this case, our 2x becomes 2 times 3, which is 6, and 6 plus 3 is indeed 9.